Hey guys, it's wait, this is recording. No, hey guys, it's Marcus Bondok. I will be showing you my office in Makati. Here it is. Okay, this is my chair where I sit on. There's plastic because that will go on you. That's why it's secure. Here is the certificate of my dad, where he won Best Navigator. And here is my Lola's bag. And here is my cold aircon. And that's my sister's iPhone. Dun dun dun. And here is the door. Why do I have to show the door? Here is my charger where I charge with my iPod. And here is my new water bottle. Okay, now there's secret stuff under there. That's a microphone. Those are two chairs. But it's the real. There's more people over there. I can't shout out loud because there's too much people. Now, I will be ending the video here because I have telephones and stuff. And I shouldn't be doing this, just get it. Hope you like the music I give you and hope you subscribe and like. See ya!